up, let it ride. Yeah, adoption pod.
Mick and Mike, yeah, they on the air. Breaking walls with that crypto flair. Deep dives roll, yeah, minds aware. Good vibes float everywhere. Tapping now, yeah, the stream go live. Big ideas, feel the energy rise. If you here right now, then you ride on time. Welcome to the future, enjoy the ride. Hands up, yeah, let it load. Sound check, let the people load. Check, yeah, feel the vibe, let the beat unfold. When it drops, yeah, the story told. Adoption pod, yeah, here we go. Crypto flows, let the knowledge grow. Breaking chains, watch the future glow. Adoption pod, they run the show. Let's go. Yeah, da 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 da. Da 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 da. Yeah. Yeah. Pioneers with minds so bright, lighting paths in the crypto night. Questions fly, answers ignite, changing lives left and right. From the blocks to the blockchain age, real talk when they hit that stage. If you're learning something, then mission complete. Mass adoption start with a seed. Adoption pod, yeah, here we go. Crypto flows, let the knowledge grow. Breaking chains, watch the future glow. Adoption pod, they run the show. Blocks are building, truth revealed. Digital world, a brighter field. Yeah, masses learning, wounds are healed. This is the future, the deal is sealed. Locked in, adoption pod, yeah, here we go. Crypto flows, let the knowledge grow. Breaking chains, watch the future glow. Adoption pod, they run the show. Run it! Adoption pod. Adoption pod. Adoption pod.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Adoption Pod, episode 31. We are here. Mick is not going to be here today, just going to be me and our guest today, GR, another member of the Vdex community. We're going to talk charts, markets, and we're going to go over all the fun stuff and what the hell's going on in this market. Got a couple trades right before I started the live here. I got again put on our cowboy hat, and we're going on the 1 minute chart like a bandit, and we sniped two little moves, but big position little moves, and that's all you really need, right? Let's just you can play with bigger numbers, and you don't have to trade as much to make a profit or a decent profit. So today we're just going to get into it. Welcome. And I will bring in our guest, and we'll chit chat. Yo, what's going on, brother?
Yo, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Nice.
All right, welcome in. Everybody, this is GR, another member of the Vdex community, another trader. I think on the space we talked earlier today that you're a vibe trader. You're trading with the vibes.
Yeah.
So tell me a little about your trading style.
It's pretty bad, honestly. I have a minus 176% today on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So
I find Bitcoin, you got to trade to make any sort of decent profit, you got to use big numbers. So like I got two trades. Hey, there you are. Yeah. I got two trades just before I jumped in on the 1 minute chart, and like full part of the portfolio. I still set a stop loss, so I'm still in control of what I lose. So I was like, risking like $100, but still full position, 50x leverage, and one candle, and you get I made like $100. So like you can play with big numbers and trade less by just making a pattern and following you're still using your indicator, not just YOLOing it, right? but yeah, so tell me about your experience with Vdex so far, man.
Vdex has been pretty smooth. I mean, if I can just time it right. Let me get a little water real quick. I'm really thirsty.
Yeah, no worries. Get your water. I'm prepped here, so we got the water. I had a coffee just before. We're chilling. I'm gonna bring up the charts. That way you can just look at the chart. There we go. All right, this is kind of what I see happening right now. I got my chart up. I got the 1 minute. But yeah, you're telling me about the Vdex. You really like Vdex. Where are you on the leaderboard?
Let me see. I have multiple wallets. Let me get on another one here. Let me see. I'm probably not too high up there. I was in the beginning, but then a lot of people joined, so now I'm a lot farther down.
Why does my rank say NA? Is it just
Not
because tomorrow?
available.
Maybe it's because
Number one?
tomorrow's the points. Well, I'm top 12 for the week.
Wow, that's pretty good.
But I think when they're doing the calculations for when you claim your points, I think it goes NA. I got 619,000 EXP for tomorrow to claim. So let's see where that puts me. I'm just farming like crazy. Okay, there we go. Let me bring up your screen.
Let's see. Yeah, this is my main one right here. I have a long open on Sol.
There you go.
It's still open. That's a miracle. Holy crap. Okay.
I'm screen.
Yeah. When did I do this? Can I see when it was done? No.
Entry price 78.04. What's it at right now?
Open long. When did I do this? Today at 1 p.m. Nice.
Solana. It's at 82. That's pretty good.
I must have been down all day. It's only like, what is it? Put like $3 in there or something.
Bitcoin had a pretty nice pump today, right around like, what was it 20, 30, 13, 14, 15, 89, 20. Around, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock at a huge pump on the 1 minute. And we're actually looking like we're going to break out right now. Oh, man, my short is just going to get cooked, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm rank 176 on the leaderboard.
Very nice. Yeah, I'm totally going to get stopped out of my short. But this long might play out. We might hit 67.3. We got a nice bull flag on the 1 minute chart. I'm trying to catch the short because the 5 minute is like super overheated. And so is like the 10 minute, the 15 minute, all overheated. And same thing, I believe the 1 hour is overheated too. So I'm just waiting for to catch that short. So maybe we just short the 1 hour 200-day moving average at 66.8.
Nice.
Maybe we just get rejected by that.
Let's see. Okay, my longs are up now. That's good. Got a long open on Sol, and I should have closed that. Let me see. Wow, you know what? It's probably going to go up. Vdex. Vdex is sick. I was going to say Bitcoin. Did you say you were shorting now?
So I'm in a short right now.
I see what you say.
It looks like I'm going to get stopped out here. So if you see, let me bring my chart back up. All right, so if you see my chart on Vdex here, I have this huge candle up on the 1 minute. So I'm kind of looking for it to come back to the middle of this candle.
Mm-hmm.
But it looks like we're just pumping up. So if you look here, I think we're kind of making a rising wedge, an ascending triangle, and your target might be like 68.3. If we pull the measured move, and it looks like we're just starting to break out now. So I'm gonna cut this short off. I'll take the L on that, and I think I want to wait and maybe catch a breakout on this.
And what is that? What's like the breakout is going to happen after a little dip, or?
Well, if you see this triangle here,
Yeah.
I'm looking for it to break that top trend line. So we have a clear resistance on that top trend line because we've had 1, 2, 3 wicks touch it, and then we came and touched this bottom trend line. So we're respecting the pattern.
Yeah, I mean it's a cup. It's almost cup and handling, right?
This one here,
Yeah.
not quite. Like we don't have like an actual cup. Maybe here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's like a.
But we need to make the handle still if we were going to do a cup and handle. I would say this is more of like a bull flag, ascending triangle after a huge wick to the upside. And I'm just gonna see. I'm gonna wait for this pattern to fill out, and then we're gonna watch the stochastics to see if it pops off.
So you just doing a real short term, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is the 5-minute chart right now. So the 5-minute chart's a little bit more accurate than the 1-minute chart, but the 1-minute chart's the same move, just more candles, right? So this is gonna oscillate up and down, and we'll see if we can get this the pop off on the live. Would be nice. Get a nice fat long on this. So what I'll try to do is I'll try to catch the breakout and just catch the momentum of the breakout until the breakout stalls, and then I'll just sell. Yo, Mick is here. You are the best. You guys are the best. She's here chilling in chat.
Nice.
So I almost kind of want to take the long and just put my stop loss. Let me see here. It's kind of weird because see, I see what you're talking about, the cup and handle on Vdex, but when I look at, oh, you know why? It's because Vdex doesn't have the 5-minute time frame yet. So yeah, that's kind of what we're seeing here. That's why it doesn't look the same. I'm looking at the 5-minute. So that means I'll have to put my stop loss probably 65.785. 65.785. Take profit for this guy would be somewhere like this. Gonna do a rough thing here. On Vdex, 60 or something like 67, I don't know, 100. Go YOLO long. That'd be 800 for 300 if I did full put. If you do like a $30,000 position, 440 for 156. Okay, I like that. If we have a breakout here, yeah, it's weird. It's 'cause we're on the 1-minute. It's a little different. So it kind of looks like a bullish rectangle on 1-minute like this, which you can kind of say that we've already broken out of it, and we're gonna come up, retest, and pop off. Same idea, just the difference is you just measure here like that.
It kind of looks like a duck.
Yeah. So yeah, we're popping off like right now. Don't want to take it. What do my stochastics look like? No, I'm not taking it yet. This one's tough because we have the RSI overheated on the 5-minute. Let's take a look at the 1-minute. God, the 1-minute's got some. 1-minute's got momentum. I'm doing it. We're just gonna YOLO it right now.
Wow, that was really good timing right there, I think.
Now this is like, put on your cowboy hat. We're going crazy.
That was really.
So I like to watch both charts just to see what happens with the candles. I'm going to put my stop loss actually right under here at the 21-day moving average. I don't need to lose the whole like a $300. So here we go. Do we win the trade? Do we lose the trade? And what I'll do is if we get a nice green candle, I'll probably just continue to move my my stop loss up and follow it to soak out as much profit as possible. Okay, that's good. Green candle. I see the stochastic turning up, so I see the stochastic turning up. So this is what I use. I feel like the momentum of a move. Stochastic curling up, RSI trending up, MACD green, not falling into the red here, and still moving up. So I believe we're gonna have like continue to process up. When this starts to curl down, I'm probably gonna exit. We're only down $8.50 right now. Hopefully we don't make an M pattern here, which is not good. This could be an M. So this is what we don't want to see. We got 7 seconds for this candle close. I've actually really been enjoying playing the 1-minute chart. I've been on the 1-minute chart for a while, and as long as we stay above this the white line here, my 21-day moving average, I'm a happy camper. Because it kind of like price action is like a magnet to 21. Like look at this white line here, every time we get too far from it, we come back to touch it. We always stay with it, whether we're going up or down. All right. Oh, we're down $19. Why are we down $19? We should be up. Oh, I see. The candle just flipped red. Yikes. Now, is this not vibe trading or what? Ooh, down $41. Yeah, it kind of looks like we're gonna take the M. Do I hedge it and make a short?
Right. I mean, it looks like it's.
But I almost kind of see like another little ascending triangle within the ascending triangle. You see, like right here, we respect this line. As long as we don't break this line to downside, which we kind of are. I need a nice fat green candle right now. Yeah, we're losing momentum on the MACD. Our size stochastic starting to curl down. Might have to get out of here. Oof, down $50. Maybe I'll stay until we lose to 21.
I don't know. It looks pretty good. I think.
Let's see, where's my stop loss? My stop loss is down here.
How do I take out? Oh, here we go. That's what I wanted. Yeah.
We're gonna YOLO it. I feel like I see that 5 minute here. The 5 minute's still good, but the 1 minute is looking a little rough. Let's see where my stop loss will take me. So $111 is what my stop loss is at right now. I still have hope. I have hope we bounce off that 21. There we go. There we go. By the way, guys, for anybody learning how to trade, don't do this. This is super risky. We're just like going, having a little fun. This is more gambling than anything, with a little bit of skill, because we are making a trading pattern. We are trading the momentum here. My candle is turning green. I feel a little bit better about this trade now. So just be careful. Like, only lose money that you're willing to lose. Like, I'm okay losing this trade, and I won't even blink an eye on it. So just be careful. But like, this is what we do on 1 minute, and we have a nasty red candle. God, this is what trading at night is so rough, because the volume is just so gone. Yeah, that M pattern is playing out. We're down $71. I think we're gonna cut it off. I'm just waiting to see if we wick. Do we make a wick? If we make a wick, I can reduce my loss a little bit.
I mean, you could also. Is it a bad idea to add more collateral here?
No, I just take another a stab at it later. In my opinion, I honestly think the next candle is going to follow through with more red. It hasn't moved. 9 seconds, 8 seconds for the candle close. Let's see here. I'm pretty sure we're going to have another. It's going to start red. Oh, we just wicked right on the 21. Give me a bullish engulfing candle. No, we're going down. I don't know, man. We're just sitting on that 21, which kind of tells me to stay in it. But like, look, the RSI is coming down, and the MACD's flipping red. So I might just mitigate if this green candle. I don't think we're gonna beat this high here of this candle.
Meaning, you think it's going to go down?
Yeah, I think we might make a wick to the upside. I could be wrong, but like the MACD and the RSI tells me down, and the what I am worried about is like the other time frames, like the 5 minute is kind of overheated. The RSI pointing down too. So I feel like this pattern in general might fail. So I'm gonna cut this guy off.
Dang.
That's okay. We won $100 before the trade, so like I'm still.
Oh, nice. That's nice. I'm down. I'm down 150.
Yeah, this is again what I'm doing here is super risky,
Yeah.
but we all away. Like we're still within the pattern. Like we still trade the pattern. So the stochastic on 1 minute will come down now and reset. And now I just wait for the decision time of this pattern, or I buy my stop loss.
I mean, I think you're probably right. 68's a pretty good target from here, I think.
Yeah, it's so weird. I can't make the same pattern on the on Vdex because the candles are very very different.
Oh, yeah, like the zoom.
Well, I guess I can. I guess I can. You know, never mind. I can make the same pattern here. Ascending triangle. We're going up. See, now this is where I go max, long, place order, and catch the momentum back up.
I think it's going to go up.
All right, let me put a stop loss in here. Stop loss will be 66036. 66036. Confirm. That way I have something that I can drag and drop. I still have a good feeling about this pattern, man. I don't know what it is. I got a feeling.
You're feeling.
If we if we get this, let's move up to 67 or 68. God, that would be super epic. Stochastics low, wait for the curl up. This is fun. This is like literally like riding a horse and trying to keep with it, not getting bucked off.
Yeah, you just got to stick to it.
So when you what kind of patterns do you like to trade?
Dude, I don't even look at patterns. I'm like, this feels like a good time. I just like put it in.
For real, eh?
Oh yeah.
I'm already down $59. Ooh, this
Sometimes I hit. I mean, sometimes I forget to close it out.
Yeah, it's see, I don't like to like sleep on trades.
Mm-hmm.
Like I like to be like involved in the trade, like be there, especially on small time frames. Like if I'm playing like the daily or something, like whatever, I'll leave it for a couple weeks. But I very rarely do that. Like I like to scalp. Like I've noticed like my trading style just seems to be more of like a scalp. I can almost see here, like this kind of feels like a little bit of a fallen wedge. Right here, a little bit of a fallen wedge. This move would bring us actually to a breakout of 66,561. God, that would be so nice.
To 65, you said?
66, like right here, 66.5.
Oh yeah. But it could also go to 65.6, 9.
It could. Like I'm still kind of this pattern's still kind of holding up. Like I can't really redraw it too many times, but I know the 1 minute stochastic, like the 1 minute indicators are pretty low, so we gotta have a bounce.
Oh yeah, let's see. This is gonna be. We're gonna find out right here.
Who Nelly? I am not doing good now. I was doing so good before the stream. We had some nice wins. We had a where is it? Trade history. $33, $94. But this one does oh come on. Stay in the pattern. Just stay in the pattern and I'm happy.
Come on. You got this.
See, the problem is we might have to go down before we go up. Like the falling wedge will come down and then pop off. I'm still seeing like the stochastics coming into the overheated zone, oversold zone. What does the 5 minute look like? Let me see the 3 minute. 3 minutes on the bottom too. 3 minute could curl up. I like that. 5 minute could still room to go down before we come up again. I'm just hoping the 1 minute plays out before the 5 minute. But could be wrong here. Oh my god, we're so close to my stop loss. My stop loss is like it breaking the pattern. Like it'll come out of this pattern, then I believe it's invalidated. That's the one thing about trading with low volume. Like it takes a lot longer for the moves to happen. Like you get these small little candles and it takes forever for the move to finally happen. Yeah, this is toast. Oof, down 100 minute. But do we just let it go to stop loss now at this point? Screw it. Let it go stop loss. You either get me or you don't. Oh, come on. Dude, if this goes up, look how close it is to my stop loss. Holy shit. Wow, what a green candle.
Nice.
Let's go.
So do you think if I adjust my leverage, like let's say I put it higher, is that gonna
So
like reset
what
my market price or?
Oh, right now? I'm not sure. What I usually do is I just go 50x cross long and I just do and I put a stop loss so you're not liquidating your whole portfolio. That way I can there's no liquidation price. Well, the liquidation price is, you know, super like far away from where you would ever go. So I've just been trading cross with again max leverage every single time. That also gets you like a lot of volume for your trades for the leaderboard. But I don't know, man. This is kind of sketchy because I'm losing. I can't redraw because I start to lose touch points here. But this really does look like a nice little fallen wedge for me. Nice consolidation. All right, getting nice and tight.
That's what she said.
That's it.
Oh yeah. All right, now I'm only down $125. So.
Oh, are you in the same trade?
No, well, yeah, but I got in a little earlier. I got in at where'd you get in?
I got in at 66,203.
I got in at 66,201.
We're pumping. Look at that. The fallen wedge is playing out. Stochastic curling up. MACD starting to lose bearish momentum. I like it. So you went down from down $108 to down only $34. So that's quite a jump. We'll see if we can roll it in. See how much. But the thing is about this is now I went. Well, I was 616,000 EXP. Now I'm up at 737. Let's get to 1 million this before we start next or tomorrow. Tomorrow's the points. Yo, what's going on? Arena chat, what's going on? Fatima, what's going on? Stam Pit, what's up? Welcome to the chat. We are doing crazy risky trading on Vdex right now. Just YOLOing it, having some fun. I'm just gonna see where this trade goes, and then I'll break down the markets and see what the heck is going on. I just want to manage this bad boy, see if we can flip this into the green. Oof, I don't know, man. Now, see, this is the thing about trading. At least for me, I trade a lot of patterns, and it's okay, we're making this pattern, and then it's oh shit, you know what? Maybe we're making this pattern now. So now it looks like a descending triangle, or a bull flag. Let me get rid of my big pattern here, and go with this bull flag here. If this is a bull flag, we go up here. Come on. We fill in the pattern and we hit up 66.5. Again, 66.5 is still the potential target of this pattern.
Very nice.
That's where we want to see. But it's just been, honestly, it's been kind of sideways. Pretty sideways from... I shorted because I thought we were making a rounded top. Now it looks like we could have almost like a double top. We'll see. This could give us a couple more minutes up to here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So another 5-minute candle potentially. Where's the 5-minute? So you might even just go sideways for the 5-minute to catch up with that 21-day moving average and bounce off it. But we are like, this moving averages are so far apart. Like I really do feel like overall, like longer term, we're probably going to come back down.
Mhm.
Do we make an M pattern here? We might dump. The 5-minute to me says dump, but the stochastic is on the bottom. But I don't know, the RSI is so fucking overheated. It's conflicting when you see both, right? Like it's like what plays out first.
I mean, I think it's the contrast between.
But I don't like rounded tops.
Hmm.
That's what that's kind of what I'm worried about. I think we dump here. I'm out. I feel like we're gonna dump. I've just convinced myself of a dump. I don't care. I'm down $94. I feel like we're gonna dump here. This doesn't look like continuation to me. I could be wrong, but like if you like backtrack and you look at like every time the moving averages get super separated like this, like on the bottom or even on the top. Let me find the last time we had. So see like here, every time you get like super separated on the top like this from the 200-day moving average, we come nastily down. And I think we're gonna have a nasty. So yeah, we're down $100, but we can catch a nice short here.
It's got to wait for it, you think?
You can wait for it, or you can get in now and you put your stop loss like up here at like 60. Well, I'll do it on Vdex because it'll be different numbers. Let me get rid of my drawings. We'll start again. Okay, so we have this is kind of like a Bart Simpson. This is a Bart Simpson top. Like I'm sticking with my initial pattern. So I think stop loss at 66,298, 66,298. Take profit, honestly, like back to the 200-day moving average, 64,796, 64,796. And this would be a short. Honestly, that's like $1,000 for $100, $138. I'm gonna take it. I don't care. Like I'm just gonna take it.
Yeah, I shorted.
I feel like the risk versus reward here is just so good, and I don't know, man. Like this looks gross. Like we're too far. Like the moving averages are too far apart. Even if we don't go to my take profit, like even if we get halfway, I'm totally fine with that.
Yeah, I mean that's still a good short.
Yeah, yeah, it looks like a Bart Simpson top where you kind of make the you make the Bart Simpson hair. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
And there's like, and the thing is too, there's a gap. Like there's this huge gap here with no resistance. So once we start to lose this line here, I just there's nothing really stopping us here. So I feel like even if the 200-day moving average continues to trend up, I still think we come down here, or even we just do like something like this, bounce off it and come back up. That's fine too. But I think down, man.
Yeah, I mean I'm up $30 on the short right now.
Yeah, it's and this is what his trading is like. What I just showed you guys, I lost 2 trades in a row, and then you just keep trying, you keep going at it, and look now our shorts playing in.
Yeah, I think it definitely topped out for the short.
Yeah, it's you got when I'm on the 1 minute, man, I'm boom, boom, boom. I'm like, okay, it's doing this. No, this you got to be fluid. Like you just like don't get married to something. Just like just feel it out and just be able to change your your opinion on the fly. See, we're up $72 already in this trade. We're moving in the right direction. And see, now what I do is I just bring my stop loss to break even. I can't lose the trade now. Now we just ride this puppy.
Let's go.
because we had a nice candle down. We broke the structure, and I think that 5 minute and the bigger time frames will start to play out here. Yeah, I like it, man. This might be a trade you can hold for a while now.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go back to my 1 minute. Yeah, so now this is like maybe like a bearish retest. Hey, let me put my stop loss a little higher, just in case, above this wick right here. I'm gonna put my stop loss, just hide it right above here. Okay, cool. While we're waiting for this trade to play out, I'm gonna let's do like a market breakdown. Let's take a look at what I'm gonna look at Bitcoin, and then we'll look at what the broader market is doing. Give you guys my my market update. Alrighty, Bitcoin on the daily doesn't look great. You can kind of say that we were in a ascending triangle here, like a bear flag that we broke out of. It's coming up the retest the bottom trend line, which is a bearish retest. And all in all, I see Bitcoin continuing down to like 48,000. I'm going to bring you guys to my other chart here because I have more work that I've been doing on here. So these are my lines. These are my support and resistance lines. We lost the support here at 73,000. Went down. Now we're going to probably range between 73,000 and 53,000. That's this liquidity right here. That's when Bitcoin made its all-time high and then consolidated for 7 months before the halving. So that's kind of where I see us retesting, and we are right in that range right now. So the next stop is 52,000. And then once we lose that, there's kind of a gap. That's why I see 46,000, 48,000, and then potentially 39,000 where we stop. Like that might be the bear market low, or the cycle low at 38, 39,000. And if you look at the weekly, so on the weekly here, if you look at previous bull markets, we typically either bounce off the 200-day moving average. Now, this is back in 2018. 2019, we bounced off it. We did lose it, but we lost it around the COVID dip. And the same thing happened here in 2022. We came down, we lost the 200-day moving average on the weekly, and then that was a big a bottom. And then our final bottom was down here. And that's kind of where I have this line at 15,000, because essentially the bottoms even the bottoms of the market should always raise. So we should never see $15,000 again ever for Bitcoin. So I think the bottom again is probably going to be somewhere around 38,000. We could wick a little lower, but it'll just be a wick. And from this bottom here back in June of 2022 to this bottom, it's only like $2,000. So Bitcoin didn't really lose that much. That's why I feel like 59,000 was a pretty good buy. Because even if it does make a double bottom, it's gonna go up down a little bit more, but 20, maybe another 20-30%, and then you hit a bottom. You're never gonna time it perfectly, right? From here down to 39,000 is another 39%, right? So if you get 59K again, or even mid 50s, that's a pretty damn good buy. At 55,000, let's see here, 55,000. To potentially the bottom, it's only 28%. That's for Bitcoin, that's really nothing. So I feel like we can do pretty damn well by tracking that. So that's kind of my base case for potentially where we're going to go. I still see more downside, unfortunately. We bounced off that 200-day moving average on the weekly, and we're just kind of making a bear flag. And you can really see it on if you look at the 3 and the 5-day chart. Oh, sorry, that's the 5 minute, not the 5-day. There we go, 5-day. Here we go. So on the 5-day chart, We lost a 200-day moving average, and we're coming in this bear flag pattern again. And then the breakdown down to 47,000. 3-day will show you the same thing. Just again, more information, more candles. Looks more like a bear flag, and same idea for the breakdown. This can bring you all the way to like March, even like beginning of April. So I don't expect again, we could bounce around in this range anywhere between 72,000 and 64,000. So it might look like, oh my God, 70,000 again, and Bitcoin's bullish, but all in all, we're still in this downtrend. We are clearly in a downtrend. So anybody that tells you we're back, don't listen to them. Those fucking posts like we're back. No,
It's
no,
cool,
we're not.
dude. I know Bitcoin's definitely going lower. We gotta go lower for sure.
But like that's where the money's made. Like when I got I got in around somewhere around here in 2022, around 26,000. Like, but like if you caught the bottom, or even if you caught the bottom, like to the top of this bull market, everyone's like, oh, Bitcoin didn't do as good as we thought. Bro, you made 694%. Like that's okay. That's a 6x on Bitcoin.
Yeah.
So if we
we're going down.
Oh, definitely. And if we go to 40,000.
Very nice.
If we go to 39,000, say we go up another 600%, or even if we don't do 600, say we do 450%, that's a $200,000 Bitcoin. So I think if you get in at the right time, you'll do very, very well. But all in all, we're still going down. The short time frames can do their thing and do a lot of wacky moves. Kind of like we're long and we're short on the 1 minute. Like we've been long and short, like flip flopping here. How's this trade working out? Are we dying? Are we dumping or what?
I'm up on this short right now. $40.
Let me take a look. Hey, I'm up $120. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. I like it. Okay, now we definitely follow our stop loss. So now I bring it up here. See how we kind of like we made this little consolidation here. So we kind of follow it. So now what my idea is, you break this, you make a leg down, and then you can consolidate. Then you follow it to the next one, and you follow to the next one. And you just keep following that. It's kind of like you're manually doing a trailing stop loss or a take profit. Yeah. See, now we're having another.
Very nice.
I like. Wow, we make live trades on Vdex live for you all to see. I hope you like.
It's very nice, yes.
I am #1 in all of Vdex. All right, I love it. It feels good. $123. Part of me wants to take it. I like another $100, but
right. I think lower.
I think you're right. Like it's at least like I feel like we're just getting started. Like at the very least,
it's gonna go down to 63 or 64 maybe.
Like 65.6 pretty soon.
Yeah.
But we might pump up before then, like the 1 minute stochastic's low. But I'm kind of banking on.
You see the cross on the RSI, or the stochastic. There's a little cross. Oh, you're on. I'm on the 15 minute.
Oh, you're on the 15 minute. Yeah, I think like I'm with you on the long time frames. I just think that maybe the 1 minute might have a short-lived bounce. Mm-hmm. That's why I got to be careful with my take profit. I don't want to put it too low. But yeah, I totally am with you. Like the bigger time frames are huge. Like right now on the 5 minute, if we lose that white line, the 21-day moving average, like we're coming down 65.4. But like my base case is we kind of come down to 65.1 minimum, like on the 5 minute.
Okay.
But I could be wrong, and we're only just getting started on the MACD flipping bearish on the 5 minute. Again, the 10 minute hasn't even flipped red yet. We're losing bullish momentum. So at the very least, like I told you, the 21-day moving average is a magnet for price. We're so far from it here on the 10 minute, and that at the very least we come up and touch it. Like it's gonna it's curling like this, right? You can
Yeah,
kind of
so-
see it already starting the curve. So it's going to do this, and price action will kind of make its way to touch it. And even if it bounces off it, like it's going to come down to touch it.
That's what she said.
Hey, we like to touch the 21. What can I say?
Very nice, yeah.
I will tell you though, the 15-minute. So my model for trading is usually 21-day moving average crosses the 200, and then we come back to touch the 21, and then we rip. So keep an eye on that on the 15-minute. Mind you, the RSI and the stochastic are super high, so that's less likely to pan out. But I would probably look for that to come touch that 21, and that's 65 right now. That's 65.2. It might be like 65.4 by the time that happens, and that'd be a nice out. Like that would be a nice time to get out of that trade. But yeah, we are totally. Ooh, this is a 1 minute. Are we making like a potential inverted head and shoulders on the 1 minute? So yeah, see, I told you the 1 minute's gonna pump up first, but it's fine because the 1 minute will pump up, and then the stochastic will come to the top, and then it'll oscillate back down. Yeah, see, it's the wick. Look at that wick. Oh, that's a nasty wick, dude. Honestly, it's wild. Trading the 1 minute is absolutely freaking wild. But we have a clear downtrend. Bear flag, downtrend. Bear flag, downtrend. Bear flag, downtrend. So now I just wanted to make my next leg down. Oh, don't hit my stop loss. Don't hit my take profit.
Come on now.
All right, so this move brings us to 65.8 if it breaks down.
Meanwhile, I am longing XRP here.
XRP. Let's take a look at
Yeah.
XRP.
I'm up $11 so far.
Dude, I haven't traded anything but Bitcoin. Like I've been just such a. I'm
Oh, yeah.
trying to like just
mean,
memorize one chart.
They're kind of opposite. Right?
You're kind of right. I've noticed like I'll look at the Ethereum chart, like it looks exactly like Bitcoin, like almost exactly the same.
Yeah.
But yeah, XRP is definitely. I kind of see the same thing though, like the rounded top, like the big rounded top here, and it kind of looks like this to me. Like we lost it, we've come down, we're making a bear flag, and we're gonna drop.
Probably.
So like if that's the case, you're looking at. Let's take a look here. Whenever this bear flag breaks, mind you, this is the 1 minute. Just keep this FYI. $1.37. Once it makes some consolidation here, but it's respecting the pattern. And I see XRP like probably coming to touch that 200-day moving average, that big yellow line. The moving average, like when you can draw a circle, this is my big thing. When you can draw a circle in between here, you're coming down. And can I also say that we have like maybe an M pattern? Damn, the shorts look good tonight. I'm not gonna lie.
Bart Simpson top.
Again, like double. You can say it's a double top. Like for example, if you can't see it, all you got to do is you go on TradingView or on Vdex, Alt-I, flip it upside down. Does that not look like an Adam and Eve double bottom? That's a double bottom pattern. So an Adam and Eve usually goes like this. You have a sharp down and then a rounded bottom, which is also the W pattern, the reverse of the M, right? And the idea is you have a neckline here, and then you would make a measured move here, which you right, and then you go up to or down to $1.37, which is the target I just said. And then also, if you look at this upside down, does that not look like a cup and handle? Cup handle.
Yeah.
and I've had the chart upside down. So that looks like a nice short for me for XRP. And it also tells me high stochastic needs to oscillate back down. RSI got plenty of room to move back down. So I see a short for XRP here, down to $1.3740 or 0.4, I should say.
Very nice.
Oh man, I'm kind of feeling like we might have. You know what? I'm gonna bring my stop loss back to break even. Screw it, because I have a feeling that we're gonna pump up before we
You
drop
just
down.
drag it like that and fix it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Ha.
That was the new feature they added. Damn, see, I told you I should have taken the $120. That was nice. It's still coming down. It's just, what are we doing here? I gotta wait for that 1 minute to roll over. But I'm still going down. Let's still believe. I believe. Yeah, XRP looks nice for a short. Where's Ethereum? See, Ethereum kind of looks the same as Bitcoin, almost identical. Like, it's crazy.
Nice.
Man, poor Cardano. I feel bad about Cardano, man. I had a nice fat bag of Cardano, and it just did not play out this bull market. I bought Cardano at 20. What did I buy it? 25, 26 cents back in 2022.
Wow. Nice.
And yeah, nice, but like I freaking sold it at like 40 cents because I thought we were gonna have new all-time highs for Cardano, and it didn't happen. I sold in a small profit, but like, wow, it's altcoins. Like I knew altcoins, like some altcoins wouldn't reach all-time highs again, but I didn't realize it was gonna be this bad. Like where some coins didn't even get close to all-time highs.
Mm-hmm.
It was fuck, man, it's a tough market for altcoin holders. I feel like this bull run, like, I don't know if you felt the same. It's like there's two bull runs. There's either you're an altcoin holder and you didn't see the bull run yet, or you're Bitcoin maxi or a Bitcoin holder and you're like, yeah, you had an okay bull run. It wasn't the greatest, but you did okay, right? Oh, look at that dump. Bitcoin is just dumping now, like a big red candle. I love it.
Yikes.
Back up to $111. They almost got me with that take profit. They almost got me. All right, so now I bring the take profit back to the top of that wick there, back to the 21-day moving average, and hopefully we just continue popping down, which I believe we shall. Feels good.
It feels nice.
So, like, how long you been trading for? Like, what got you in the trading?
This kind of trading, not very long.
Yeah.
I've been mostly trading meme coins.
Oh yeah, how's that?
It's fun. Sol, XRP, Ethereum.
Oh, did it stop me out?
Yeah, dude, basically, Sol, XRP, or Sol, Ethereum, and XRP, sex. That's what I like.
It's like Tesla with his he copyrighted sexy.
He copyrighted sexy, the word, like the word.
Model 3, Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y.
It's crazy.
Oh my goodness. Did it get me? I think it might.
Oh, it got me. I'm so cooked. Wow.
70. Oh man, I should take it back to $100 again. I still think we're going down. The stochastic has not come all the way to the bottom yet.
We're definitely going down in dollars over here.
All right.
Damn.
What are you in right now?
Yeah, I just started shorting XRP. And,
Oh, XRP. Yeah. Bitcoin just had a little like a wick candle up. Yeah, you'll probably have to give it some wiggle room with the with altcoins because that's the problem. They move so fast, and like your trade will move so quick on it with like tiny little moves.
yeah.
But honestly, like whatever look right now, altcoins are weak to Bitcoin. So whatever the hell Bitcoin's going to do, like if you're looking at like making a trade for altcoins, look at what Bitcoin's doing. Like if you think, okay, I think Bitcoin's going to go down, probably do best doing the same position. There's no altcoin that's going to be strong against Bitcoin right now, or very, very, very few. Okay, I need a nice red candle. Come on. Yes, there we go. That's what I'm looking for.
Very nice.
Back up to $100 in profit. This has been a pretty good night. I've made more money today than my entire day of work in like freaking half an hour.
That's I did that, but gambling. So.
Well, isn't that not what we're doing right now?
Yeah, but I wish I knew how to gamble like this.
Well, again, my position size in this trade to make this kind of money is I'm going to close it. I'm taking $100. I am not feeling bad about that whatsoever. $100, not bad. Trade history, $108, not bad.
Dang.
So portfolio, we're up $253 in the last 7 days. I like it. Doesn't it? Oh, it does show 24 hours. $259 in 24 hours. I like it. That's it. I don't need to trade anymore today. Like that's enough for me.
Nice.
Like that's a day's worth of work, and that's American. So like here in Canada, that's 40% more.
Yeah. The taxes pay for themselves.
For real, right? Oh my god, the taxes are crazy. I'm honestly looking at like actively looking at different countries right now to like start like my crypto business or move my crypto business.
Right.
So like my parents are from Portugal, so I'm looking at getting my Portuguese passport. I applied. I'm just waiting for it to come. So they have no long-term capital gains for crypto, and I think like even if you get taxed for like income, it's only like 28%. Where like Canada here, like the highest tax bracket is like 49%.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I am notorious for selling trades early, by the way. So this probably will hit my target, but hey man, profit's profit.
Damn, I should have kept that short open.
On XRP,
Yeah, it's at 137.
it went down to 137.
Yeah, it's like barely there. It's like 137.9.
Boom. See, I told you. What did I tell you? Look at my move here. It went almost to the target,
Yeah.
and we're still probably gonna go there.
Yeah.
You gotta when we're trading, you have again. I'm trading patterns, right? Like I'm trading patterns. So like you have an idea, and you just play the idea. If it fails, it fails. Take another
I
stab
sold
at
that
it.
little green pump because I got scared and I was down $40, and so I got out.
That's fine. Like that's what you're comfortable losing. You'll hit it again. Just keep at it, man. I've had literally weeks. Like last week, I lost every fucking trade I took. I felt like every time I put a trade goes the opposite way. Like, and then the week after, amazing week. Just gotta keep at it.
Where just like anything.
You know what? Like I've been like trading now for like this spring will probably be a year and a half. And that's the one thing I've learned is like, you have a bad week and you're just like, man, I suck at this. Like you get all those bad thoughts and like being consistent is like shit. And then I have a couple wins. It's like, oh man, you know what? No, it's just, this is par for the course, right? Like again, what I did today was extremely risky. I don't usually trade like this. I usually only trade like 1% of my portfolio per trade. So if I was to do that, like for example, let me go to XRP on Vdex and I'll show you how I would responsibly trade. So we have potentially a rising wedge here, right? Say we're gonna believe it's gonna break down, or sorry, we can say it like that. There's a symmetrical triangle for a breakdown. Breakdown should be right here, right? Which we're making our way down again, like down to the 200-day moving average. So what I would do is you go here on the side panel and you have projection, long or short. You can go short. So you would enter the trade. The best, safest entry for a breakdown like this is here. You break down and then you come up to retest the bearish retest, and this is where you enter right here. So you would go to the projection here, short. I would put my entry right here. My stop loss would be back into the pattern, so probably hide it around here, this candle here, and my take profit would be all the way down here. So this is how I actually like my normal trades where I'm not, being stupid risk. I would do that. So now this is a 5.6 to 1 risk versus reward ratio. My stop loss is 0.23%. So I bring up my calculator. I'd say my portfolio is $1,079. So 1079 times 0.01 is $10.79. So I would take that and divide it by the stop loss, which is not even 1%. So 0.0023 for 46.91. So that tells you your position is 46.23. Oh, sorry, I gotta go back max leverage. Yeah. I don't trade XRP, so that's why I just didn't show. So 40x. So it would be, what was it? Let me bring up my calculator. It was 1079 divided by 0.0023, 46.91. So your position size would be 46.91. Your stop loss would be here at $1.39, and your take profit would be here at $1.36. So you're only losing $40 for $61. Wait, that doesn't seem right. Did I do that right? $1.30. Oh, $1.39 was stop loss. $1.39. Sorry. Yeah. That seems awkward. Why would it? $1.36.937. $1.36.937. Why are we losing so much on this for a 0.23? This is why altcoins are weird.
Oh, now I'm up on my short. Let's go. Come on, more. Go down. Go down 40 cents, and I'll buy more.
That is awkward for the altcoins. It doesn't do that for Bitcoin. Yes, if I do Bitcoin, the same thing.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me find a pattern to trade. So, if we were to trade this, right? We put our stop loss. We put a short. You get the short in here. Stop loss would be up here. Take profit would be down at the 200. Same idea. 1079 divided by 0.008. 1348 position size. 1348. Take profit is 65076. 65076. And stop loss is 66167.
Okay.
Yeah, see, that makes more sense. See, I'm only losing $6.90 for 15 XRP. Like, that was weird. It wouldn't trade with 1% of my portfolio. That's very weird. So that's why altcoins are really, really tough to trade. Bitcoin, I can position I can get my position size to do. You got to do the calculations. You got to play with your position size. That way, your stop loss is if $10 is your 1% of your portfolio, you're losing $10. And you lower your position size accordingly. Mm-hmm. But yeah, that was weird for XRP. This makes more sense. This is how I do my calculus. That's why I like Vdex so much, because you have this take profit stop loss and the position size up here. You can fart around with it until you get something that makes sense for you. But let me go back to XRP. Boom, hit target perfectly. Damn, that was quick.
And lowered.
Yeah, just it wicked right below it. And it could still continue down. But we're getting into that overheated zone, the oversold zone. Stochastic RSI in the bottom, RSI in the bottom. Let's take a look at Bitcoin to see if Bitcoin is looking like it's going to give a little bit of a pump. Yeah, Bitcoin is looking like it's going to come up again. So if you are in the short for the XRP, I'd probably look to exit.
Oh yeah, we just made $65.
There you go, man. And like Bitcoin looks like it's in a big, like a huge falling wedge. Like this is your trend line to the downside. When you break this trend line, you know you're gonna probably pump up. Like that's a very big consolidation, and the M is kind of playing out. Like I said, right?
Mm-hmm.
The M, it's a weird M, but it's kind of was playing out. Question is, do we come back to the that 200, or do we just is that it? The fallen wedge is gonna play out, which should bring you to make sure that right there, back up to 66.3. Again, I wouldn't expect everything to hit my targets because low volume tonight, but hey, it's been a pretty decent night trading. I'm not gonna lie. We did pretty well. We both make a little bit of money.
Yeah.
And I can't complain.
Still more money to be made.
Absolutely. All right. I like it. All right, but it is 10:06 and I gotta cut it off today.
Right.
We try to keep this around 1 hour. So dude, good trades today, man. That was fun. We made a little money.
Yeah.
We showed a little bit of education. We talked about the markets, and again, overall down. Whether it takes 2, 3, 4 weeks, we're probably going to continue down. And that's the overall trend. So don't get crazy. Don't get crazy on your trades. Just keep it certain tight. Little scalps like we did today is kind of really want to go. I appreciate you, man, for coming on and hanging out, filling in for Mick because she was not feeling it tonight, not feeling well. So she's been busy, man. She just hit ETH Denver.
She does a lot. She does a lot.
So we'll pick her brain, see what happened at ETH Denver. I know she's telling me a lot of institutional adoption coming, which gets me excited because I like the idea. Again, my base case is when the institutions get in, they get their bags filled, and then now they're incentivized to sell it to the retail. So retail will come back in a big way because it'll be the new system. They have to use it. But that's it for us today at the Adoption Pod. Tomorrow, I'm live for Trade Daddies with J Chains, and we're going to go through the markets again. Tomorrow, we're going to be doing the 4-year cycle theory. We're going to go through the whole 4-year cycle. You got a little bit of a blip of it today when I showed you the breakdown, where I think the bottom's going to be in this market. So, GR, thank you so much for coming on. We'll see you next week. You're doing another space for Vdex, right? So, let everybody know what time it's at and where they can.
Yeah. Come to the space on X. It's going to be on Tuesdays at 1 p.m. every week, and hope to see you there. Bring all your friends.
Yeah, man. And make sure you guys, if you haven't already, sign up for Vdex. Use code GR. So you guys can get some referrals and start making money. Get some trading credits. Maybe we can talk to Mick, and if she's filling up this, she can get you some trading credits and just get your feet wet. Just get your feet, because I feel like
she's still giving out, I think, 25 credits for anybody who signs up with code GR. So
there you go. And is there still a deposit bonus going on? Is that
yes.
Done, you know?
Yes. So if you're a profitable trader, they'll match up to, what is it? They're matching.
Yeah, I don't remember if it was like 50% or 30. I can't remember 100%.
Yeah, there's a really good incentive. I just can't remember. That's why
it was good. Like I just put like $500 in one account and I got 200. So like that was pretty damn good. So this is what I really like about it. I used Weeks before. I used to be a Weeks ambassador, and you can't. I didn't earn even though I was a profitable trader, I didn't earn that much. Like I got like a couple USDC here and there, but here, like you really feel like you can earn your way to success here, or at least in the trading credits and stuff like that. So it feels way more rewarding beyond here, and it feels nice to be a hammerhead shark. So that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for coming out. Make sure you guys follow GR on X, and make sure you guys stay tuned for all the Vdex spaces. You'll see me there, and you'll see GR and Mick and everybody. And we'll see you guys next week on the Adoption Pod, 9:00 Tuesday nights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.
Cheers.
Yeah. Turn it up one more time. You already know what it is. Yeah, yeah. Yo, we back at the end. Yeah, that's wild. And the episode down, added to the file. From the stories to the laughs to the real talk too. You pulled up, press play, let us ride with you. Crypto convos, guests from everywhere. Big ideas, real voices in the air. If you made it this far, then you already know we're building for the future. Watch adoption grow. Let's go! This is Adoption Pod. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thank you. Hit play, hit like, hit share. Click, click, click. We'll be right back, right there. Adoption Pod. Yeah, we love this squad. We do. To the next upload drop. Next one. Keep the fam love running non-stop. Adoption Pod. Shout out the parents, the kids, the crew. The ones in the system, yeah, we see you too. Every voice, every journey, every I got through. You the reason that we do what we do. From the first time listeners to the day one strong. If you learn one thing, then we did our job. Mass adoption, one combo at a time. Tapping next week, yeah, you know the vibe. This is Adoption Pod. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hit play, hit like, hit share. Don't forget, we'll be right back, right there. Adoption Pod. Let's go. Yeah, we love this squad. Family. To the next upload drops. Keep the fam love running non-stop. From your couch, from your car, late night scroll. If you laughed, if you learned, and we hit that goal. Drop a comment, a story that you wanna explore.